Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony MHC-V43D high-power Bluetooth party speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two reasons that you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not connecting to your devices, or it is not pairing with Bluetooth, or if you're having any kind of sound issues, it seems to be frozen and not responding, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set it up again, which is the second reason you might want to do this, is to wipe all of the pairing history and just get a fresh start like you're just taking this out of the box new. We can do that with a hard reset to the factory default settings. So it's real easy to do. All we need to do if we want to do this is go ahead first and start by unplugging it. And then once we unplug it, we're going to wait a couple seconds and plug it back in. And once we do that, we can hit the power button to turn it on. And once we've turned it back on, we're going to come and we're going to find this mega bass button over here and the guitar button over here. And we are going to press and hold them simultaneously for at least 3 seconds until all of the lights on the display light up. They're on for about 3 seconds. Then we can let go and we can set it up again as a new device.